Hi, I'm Tom. This is Models and Mistakes. Um, here, because I haven't put a video up for a long time, and it was mostly because I couldn't get a chunk of time that I could do anything with. I didn't. Well, I didn't just because I couldn't do anything with the models and stuff, and I really didn't have anything to say about it, other than I should have said, "Hey, it's gonna be a while." But this video, it took me, this should have been up 3 days ago, but this is now, take 23. Working out my sound and everything else, and finding out, oh no, now it's echoey, now it's this, now it's that. Anyway, it pays to read the directions. I still haven't, but I got it figured out. So, what I have done was, this is the ALA-Impala, and that's all about, well, that's got the that's primed, and it's got the base coat on it. The base coat is in prep for scale finishes, solid pearl emerald X or 10. It's got an X. Anyway, so that, I'm going to make that a dark green pearl, hopefully. And I got the rest of it all up over there, primed. But I'm waiting for some, my airbrush needed a bit of help. I got a new airbrush, but I got one before. But I've been buying junk right up until I decided that I probably fix them now that I've taken them apart so many times. I'm trying to fix them and wiggle around and do this, that, and the other thing, but that's how I learned. Anyway, this one's a Mobius from Gallery, a Mobius SP, and I need to replace the .05 needle. Because it seems to have a, I don't know, it's rough at the very end, like something, it's not good. Anyway, so, however, what is good, anyway, I ordered that, the whole shoe match from Gallery, and I'm just waiting for that to show up. The scale paints are by Scale Finishes. They have the correct color for Black Beauty, Green Hornet fame. I got the Black Beauty right over there, and I got the paint for them right over there. I'm very excited about that. I have a lot of plans. Right now, though, I cleared off another place for another bench for work on some stuff, and let's see what we got. Don't fall off, don't fall off, don't fall off. Gotcha. Okay. A very good friend sent me this. 63 Nova, Chevy II Nova. Something like that, right? Yeah. Station wagon. And it's a Craftsman, curb style. Yeah, Craftsman Plus. And the reason he sent it to me was to help me get on with learning airbrush and all that stuff. And he's actually sent me a few things. It's very, very nice. I'm happy to mention his name. I just don't know if that's what he wants, so would want. So thank you, Glenn. Anyway, the body looks really great. I was looking at this, and I don't see any mold lines, which I don't think that's right. Can't possibly be correct. But anyway, Yeah, these are sharp, and maybe that's it. But I think that would be fine if that was considered a mold line. I like the sharpness of it. It looks good. So anyway, that's that. I wish we had an Ollie's. Well, we have Hobby Lobby. Okay, well, there's that. What I like, this has two pieces. The glass is the front, and then you have the sides and the back are together. So you got the front and the side vent windows, and then just the back, and I like that. And yes, airbrushing and detailing, which is, where'd the rest of it go? Oh, it's way over there. I didn't pick it up. It's still on the bench over there. But anyway, here's the hood. Again, all this stuff looks like I don't have to remove anything. There's a squirrel there. A little squirrel. You can probably see him. So we're proud of that. Anyway, and learning how to detail and make decisions on upholstery and stuff like that. Now, I don't think I would do it with this one, but Shaggy at Awesome Garage, he had a video where he showed how he used a resin hard candy wrapper and crinkled it all up and everything, and then used, I don't know if it was, I can't remember, a Mod Podge or something, just got it all in there nice and tight and everything. When everything dried, it just looked beautiful. It looked like, I don't know, call it cracked leather or something. It was just really great. You should, if you don't know about that kind of stuff, go look him up. You should look him up anyway. He's a very good teacher. Anyway, I want to see what we got for wheels here. Oh, my vision doesn't tell me if there's any printing on them at all. It's all kind of tired. They're tires, but they're little standard tires. Oh, and the chrome. What did I do with it? I didn't pull it out. So I don't want to pull it out. There. Well, I get the chromes all packaged. I'm just looking to see. The chrome looks pretty good, actually. Certainly, I can't do better unless I wanted to go try to fancy up something. Of course, having I could strip that and just make all the chrome flat black. No, I don't know. I'm just talking through my hat right now. Oh yeah, hat. Bad hair day. But here's my tires. Sorry. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, of the colors for that, I believe I'm looking at them right now. These paints were from Pro Scale Paints. Pro Scale metallic sparkling silver candy base. It's candy base. Scale finishes. I'm sorry. Pro Scale. Pro Scale Paints, I believe, is how it works out. I've got to move this. Whoops! I got lighting and everything getting overwhelmed here. I got to move ahead just a little bit. And after that base, I'm going to do this blue, which is a sapphire blue. That's going to be on the Chevy wagon. I love all colors. I really do. And if they shine and stuff like that, I do. Now, I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the interior, but as far as I'm going to use some craft paints, and I'm right now just looking, because if I'm going to do that blue, then the interior needs to be different kind of blue, or it needs to be white, or it needs to be, I got Admiral blue, which is a cool color from Apple Barrel, and blue bonnet blue. But this is like if I was going to do the upholstery, and you like the sides and stuff, you know, you have the darker color and then the lighter color on your door panels and stuff like that. But I don't know what, I'm pretty sure I'm going to do that blue. Oh, okay, I gotta close this up here. I got a little puppy that needs, there you go.
I didn't get that, did you?
Yeah, go away. I have a little puppy that needs her meds given. I'll tell you about her. That's a little puppy. She's 12, 12 and a half. But she has had a rough life. She gets pills, a bunch of pills, 4 times a day. 4 times a day. Anyway. So, yeah, meet her sometime. Okay, I'm going to say goodbye. I'm going to go get Allie her pills because they have to be timely. God bless and see you later. Bye.